Asus has recently unveiled its latest innovation tailored for the competitive esports community, the ROG Strix XG259QNS gaming monitor. Developed with high-performance gaming in mind, this monitor promises to deliver an unparalleled experience with its cutting-edge features and specifications. At the heart of the ROG Strix lies its 24.5-inch Full HD IPS panel, boasting a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Despite its compact dimension, this panel offers remarkable clarity and detail, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming scenarios. With a brightness of 400 nits and a contrast ratio of 1000:1, users can expect vivid, lifelike visuals with deep blacks and bright highlights. The wide viewing angles of 178 degrees ensure consistent image quality from virtually any perspective. One of the standout features of the ROG Strix is its impressive 380Hz refresh rate, coupled with an ultra-fast 0.3 milliseconds GTG response time. This combination ensures incredibly smooth and fluid motion, minimizing motion blur and ghosting, even in the most intense gaming sessions. Whether it's tracking fast-moving targets or reacting to split-second actions, gamers can enjoy a competitive edge with the responsiveness of this monitor. Color accuracy is another area where the ROG Strix excels. Covering 110% of the sRGB color gamut and supporting HDR10, this monitor delivers vibrant and lifelike colors, bringing games to life with stunning realism. Whether you're exploring rich, immersive worlds or engaging in fast-paced multiplayer battles, every detail pops with exceptional clarity and accuracy. To further enhance gaming performance, the ROG Strix XG259QNS offers a range of features tailored to meet the demands of esports players. AMD FreeSync Premium technology eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, providing a seamless and tear-free gaming experience. Asus's extreme low motion blur technology reduces motion blur, ensuring that fast-paced action remains crystal clear and blur-free. Additionally, variable refresh rate support synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with the graphics card, minimizing input lag and stuttering for a smoother gaming experience. Comfort and flexibility are also prioritized with the ROG Strix. The monitor's stand offers a wide range of adjustments, including tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustment, allowing users to find their optimal viewing position for extended gaming sessions. Furthermore, VESA wall mounting support provides added flexibility for custom setups and multi-monitor configurations. In terms of connectivity, the ROG Strix offers a comprehensive selection of ports, including DisplayPort 1.4, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.2 Gen1 Type-A ports, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. As for pricing and availability, Asus has not yet released official details for the ROG Strix XG259QNS gaming monitor. Considering the ROG Strix XG259QNS shares many features with its predecessor, the XG259QN, which currently retails for approximately $449 in the US, it is reasonable to expect a similar price point for the new model as well. Overall, the Asus ROG Strix gaming monitor sets a new standard for competitive gaming, with its high-performance features, stunning visuals, and versatile appearance. Whether you're a professional esports player or casual gamer, this monitor delivers the speed, responsiveness, and image quality needed to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. I'm glad you subscribed to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.